Picture this, a stunningly elegant girl gliding through the bookstore, her silky hair catching the golden afternoon light as she browses the romance section. Her movements are poetry, every gesture exuding effortless grace and charm. She delicately pulls a steamy romance novel from the shelf, her eyes sparkling with anticipation and a hint of mischief. Just as she's about to lose herself in a dreamy passage, the tickle of a sneeze sneaks up on her unexpectedly. She tries to hold it back, her nose scrunching cutely, but it's no use. Out comes the most unexpectedly loud and dramatic sneeze the store has ever heard, echoing through the quiet aisle. The entire room freezes in stunned silence. A nearby customer jumps, nearly dropping his coffee, while another peeks over his glasses, startled and wide-eyed. The girl, cheeks flushed with embarrassment, tries to regain her composure, smoothing her hair and flashing a sheepish yet charming smile. A moment later, laughter bubbles up from the aisle, breaking the tension and filling the space with warmth. Even the girl can't help but giggle at her own glamorous blunder. Sometimes, even the most elegant can't escape life's little surprises, reminding us all that grace and humor go hand in hand.